Good morning, all of you, my dear students. As you know that in our last class we studied about article. What is an article? That thing we studied there, and afterward we saw that there are two types of article: indefinite article and definite article, in which we studied the explanation of indefinite article in our last class, in which we studied about an explanation of a and an in indefinite article. Similarly, today we will study next type, which is definite article. Today we will study definite article, in which there is only one word, the. First of all, what is definite article? Definite article means those articles which show anything in a definite way. That article should be known as definite article, in which there is only one word, the, which always show anything in a definite way when we will use it before any word. Now where we will use it? Now see what should be given there. The is used before the name of any religious book, for example the Ramayana, etc. Next, the is used before the name of any newspaper and magazines, for example the Times of India, etc. For example, next, the is used before the names of any mountain ranges, for example the Himalayas, etc. Next, the is used before the names of any musical instruments, for example the guitar, etc. Next, the is used before the name of any river and oceans, for example the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, etc. The is used before any superlative degree also, for example the tallest boy. In this, tallest is a superlative degree, so that's why we use the before that word, tallest. Next, the is used before the names of any planets and stars, for example the earth, the sun, etc. Next, the is used before the names of any sea and deserts, for example the Dead Sea, the Thar Desert, etc. Next, the is used before the name of any direction, for example the west, the northwest. In this way we studied here the use of the. So I think that you are able to understand the use of the, or you are able to understand the definite article. I think that nobody will get any problem to understanding this definite article or the use of the. Now afterward, next thing we will study omission of article. Omission of article means where we will not use article. That thing should be known as omission of article. Now see where we will not use article. Now see what should be given there. We do not use an article with name of people, books and plays. For example, I have read Romeo and Juliet. Next, we will also not use article before the name of town, cities, states and countries, for example Cape Town, etc. Next, we will not use article before lakes, name of lakes, single islands, continents, for example Asia, etc. Next, We will not use any article before languages, for example English, etc. Next, we will not use article before the name of any diseases, for example cancer, etc. My dear students, in this way today I have completed this topic article. I think that all of you understand this topic article in a very easily way. Nobody will get any problem in understanding this topic article. So first of all, read it, then learn it. I think that you will get no problem. Take care. Have a nice day.